Hello everyone, this is Abdullah speaking Chinese. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the would in Chinese. Actually, would is a modal verb. In Chinese, it's called xiǎng, third term, xiǎng. So let's get started to our today class. When you will use the xiǎng, the structure will be like subject plus xiǎng plus verb plus object. What would you like to drink? When you will ask someone, then what would you like to drink? 你想喝什么？你想喝什么？你 means you, 想 means would like to, 什么 means what, 喝 means drink. 你想喝什么？ What would you like to drink? The answer will be like 我想喝 cha means tea. Suppose you like coffee, then you can say 我想喝咖啡. Suppose you like milk, then you can say 我想喝牛奶. It means milk. I would like to drink milk. 我想喝牛奶. 我想喝牛奶. I would like to coffee. 我想喝咖啡. 我想喝咖啡. I would like to drink coffee. 你想喝茶吗? Would you like to drink tea? Suppose you are sitting in a restaurant with your friend, and this time you can offer your friend that would you like to drink coffee or tea? Would you like to drink I put here tea. You can put anything like tea, coffee, milk, or anything. 你想喝茶吗? 你想喝茶吗? Cha means tea. Ma always indicates the question. 你想喝茶吗? Would you like to drink tea? The answer is same. 我想喝茶. I would like to drink tea. 你想吃什么? What would you like to eat? 你想吃什么? What would you like to eat? 我想吃 I would like to eat. 我想吃 it means I would like to eat. 吃 means to eat. 吃 means to eat. I would like to eat. Suppose 米饭 means rice. 苹果 means apple. You put here your food whatever you take. Suppose I take rice. 我想吃米饭 it means I would like to eat rice. I would like to eat rice. 我想吃米饭. 你想吃中国菜吗? Would you like to eat Chinese food? 你想吃中国菜吗? Would you like to eat Chinese food? 我想吃中国菜. I would like to eat Chinese food. You can ask your friend, would you like to eat English food? How do you say? 你想吃英国菜吗? 你想吃英国菜吗? It means, would you like to eat English food? 我想吃英国菜. I would like to eat English food. At the end, I also written a sentence which is very useful to you. What would you like to do? What would you like to do? Then you can say in Chinese, 你想做什么? 你想做什么? It means, what would you like to do? 你想做什么? What would you like to do? You can also ask, 你想买什么? 你想买什么? 买 means to buy something. To buy something. 你想买什么? What would you like to buy? What would you like to buy? In this way, you can use the xiang in your daily life. That's all about our today lesson. If you think it's useful for you, Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get every notification, and also share with your friends. Zai Jian.